discovered a water leak, slightly crack over here, because somebody of the previous owners put an additional bolt and it wasn't sealed properly. So the seawater found its way through the hole and penetrated into our core cell material on the lagoons. The core cell material is balsa core end grain, so if it is exposed to water it's starting to rot, and finally it's giving way because it's not stable anymore. So we decided to cut all this open, remove the furniture. Anyway, we wanted to redo the cabin, and I already cut with the angle grinder certain pieces, and now we are about to remove more of the stuff. And as you can see, the balsa is already rotten here. It's already getting dark. So we remove all that and we start from scratch with new core cell material. We put a little bit of an extractor fan, industrial fan, so all the fumes and the vapors and the dust is generally getting sucked off. And now let's do some work. Here you can see some of the glass fiber and the balsa core, the core cell material, which, just judging by the color, it's disintegrated, and that's why we are replacing it. It's a lot of work, but it has to be done. You see, and on top of the balsa you see the glass fiber and the epoxy, and we are talking about the inside of our hull. Now we are having a clear cut. This is where we can put our new core cell material and laminate from the inside, so the structural integrity of our hull in this particular section will be okay again. Changing the blade. That's a grade 30 for sanding. So now, as you can see, we removed the balsa core, and of course some of the parts were still okay, but to a certain degree they were already turning black and are rotten, and that's why we removed everything. We removed also the interior. I have a sample for you. We also removed the interior glass fiber, and some of the balsa wood is still attached to it. So this has been removed, an area of roughly 1.5 to 2 square meters. The corsair material is already here, and the next couple of days we will laminate that and reinstall the integrity of the boat.